Now, the mass testing in Nairobi estates continued to gather momentum as Kenyans heeded calls and turned up in large numbers. Umoja estate residents thronged the Umoja Health Center to be tested, overwhelming the health officials who had to seek reinforcement and additional kits to cope with the numbers. The exercise is set to take place in 15 other areas in Nairobi before the end of this month.
As early as 6:30 in the morning, Umoja residents had camped at Umoja Health Center, ready for the all-important exercise to know their COVID-19 status. The young and old alike responding to government's call for the voluntary testing following the surge of positive cases here in Nairobi.
Nimejitokeza juu pia hii kitu ina create stigmatization. Sijijui, sikujui.
I found it necessary to come around to be in line with the others who are coming. I want to know my status. Whichever results come out, I'll be ready for anything.
The health ministry officials had a tough time controlling the residents, and at one point the exercise had to be halted as the officials ran out of the testing kits. Some of the residents were forced to wait for more than 2 hours as the officials replenished the stock of kits.
Wakati tumefika, the first 200 people wamepewa numbers. Then we are told wengine tuende nyumbani. They no longer have those kits, enough kits za kupima. Walipewa only 200 kits.
Nimekuja around 2 hours ago. Nimefika hapa. So wakati nimefika hapa tumeambiwa laini hiyo kits imeisha, tukasema hapana hili. Tumerequest tuletewe.
The exercise also attracted residents from the neighboring estates. Those living with disabilities were, however, disadvantaged as there was no special arrangement on how they could access the service.
Pia kwa na laini ya watu wa people living with disability. Hawana hiyo laini na hawana hiyo mpangilio. Pia yaandikwe vizuri, mtu akipimwa awekewe result zake kwa email na waambiwe pia kama inalipwa Caroline ama ilipwe.
395 people were tested in Umoja, with the exercise now shifting to Mukuru Kayaba on Sunday. The Ministry of Health has planned to conduct the mass testing exercise in Kangemi, Mathare, City Park, Parklands, Githurai, Kamkunji, among other areas by the end of this month to determine the spread in the city.